Want to know how to see your previously created agents in Agent GPT? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you need to just open up your Agent GPT website. So you just simply head towards agentgpt.revoke.ai and you should be here. So we have also created various Agent GPT videos, so make sure to watch it as well. It's on our channel. So since we want to see our recently created agents, so once we create, there should be saved as well by default. So in order to check it, on the top left side you should be seeing this 3 hamburger icon right here. Just simply select it, and now once I've selected that, here you should be seeing these 2 GPTs coming up right here. So these are the GPTs that, or the agents that I had created. So you can just simply select it in order to extend it and see various details of how the GPT was created and how we can prompt it. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.